Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're embarking on an eye-opening journey into the shocking truth about personal finance everyone needs to know. Whether you're just starting to navigate your financial landscape or looking to refine your existing knowledge, this video is filled with insights that could profoundly alter your understanding of money management. Let's kick things off by discussing financial literacy. Shockingly, over 60% of adults in the United States lack a grasp of basic financial principles. This means that a significant portion of the population struggles with concepts like budgeting, saving, and investing effectively. This isn't just a personal challenge. It's a widespread societal issue. When individuals lack essential financial knowledge, it often results in accumulating high levels of debt and making poor investment decisions. This underscores the critical need for improving financial literacy at every level. Next, let's explore the unsettling reality of living paycheck to paycheck. This way of life is not only incredibly stressful, but it can also trap individuals in a relentless cycle of debt that feels nearly impossible to escape. Many people mistakenly believe that simply increasing their income will resolve their financial struggles. However, the reality is that without a well-structured budget and a sound savings plan, earning more money can often lead to higher spending. The true key lies in cultivating financial habits that prioritize savings and financial stability. Let's delve into some pervasive myths surrounding saving. One of the most common misconceptions is that you need to have a substantial amount of money to begin saving. This could not be further from the truth. In fact, even putting aside a modest amount, say $5 a week, can lead to significant savings over time. The crucial point is to start saving, no matter how small the amount. The earlier you begin to set aside money, the more it can grow thanks to the power of compound interest. Now, let's address a commonly misunderstood aspect of personal finance: debt. Many people believe that all debt is inherently bad. However, not all debt is created equal. While high-interest debts like credit cards can be financially damaging, certain types of debt can actually serve as valuable investments in your future. For instance, student loans and mortgages can be considered good debt if they contribute to your future earning potential or asset accumulation. The key is to manage your debt effectively and ensure that you're not taking on more than you can handle. Let's shift our focus to investing. A prevalent myth is that you need to be wealthy to begin investing. In truth, you can start investing with just a small amount of money through platforms like robo-advisors or by purchasing fractional shares. Another common misconception is that investing is akin to gambling. While there are certainly risks involved in investing, a well-researched strategy is based on long-term growth and patience, not mere luck. Understanding this distinction is crucial for anyone looking to grow their wealth. Now, let's discuss the often dreaded topic of budgeting. Many people view budgeting as a chore, but it is one of the most potent tools available for achieving financial success. A well-crafted budget allows you to understand precisely where your money is going and enables you to allocate funds towards savings and investments effectively. I recommend the 5-0-3-0-2-0 rule. Allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings. This simple framework can make the process of budgeting feel less overwhelming and more manageable. It's also essential to talk about the necessity of an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and having savings set aside can act as a safety net during unforeseen circumstances. Aim to save 3-6 months' worth of living expenses. Start small and gradually build your fund. Even having a few $100s can make a significant difference in a crisis. Finally, it's crucial to recognize that the financial landscape is constantly evolving. The most successful individuals understand the importance of continuous learning. There is an abundance of books, podcasts, and online courses available to help you deepen your financial knowledge. To sum it all up, the shocking truths about personal finance can empower you to take control of your financial destiny. Remember, it's never too late to start making positive changes. Knowledge is power, and the sooner you begin implementing these principles, the better your financial future will be. If you found this video informative and helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. What financial truth surprised you the most? Thank you for watching.